Hi, I'm Alex from Backyard Grannies, and today I'd like to take you through this 2-bedroom attached granny flat at West Wallsend. We offer a large range of 2-bedroom floor plans, but this custom granny flat really stands out due to its unique design and features. Straight away you notice the stunning heritage facade in the streetscape, finished in quality James Hardie linear cladding. From the moment you walk through the front door, the towering 3-metre ceilings and open plan kitchen living area create a sense of space. Complementing this is a generous deck off the main living area, providing extra space for entertaining all year round. The other unique feature of this granny flat is the attached garage with internal access via the kitchen. To get started on your own project, contact the Granny Flat Specialist, Backyard Grannies.